Hello guys, so we are solving this problem here. We have x exponent 4 is equal to 64. Okay, so this one we can write it as x exponent x bracket 4, see, which is equal to 64. We have a law in indices. We say that a exponent n multiplied by n is equal to, we can rewrite this as a bracket exponent m bracket n. Okay, and is the same as a exponent n bracket m. Okay, so we are going to use this law to apply here. So we are going to apply this law here. So one thing we must know is that we need to express these two sides to look the same thing. Okay, so we can introduce an exponent 4 to both sides again. Okay, so in this case we are going to get x exponent 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 64 exponent 4, like this. Okay, and in this case, this one we can express it as x exponent x or 4 times 4 is equal to 64 exponent 4. Okay, so we can rewrite this in this expression. So we can get x exponent 4 into bracket x exponent 4 is equal to, let's put 64 in the bracket, 64 exponent 4, like this. Don't forget, we are expressing this to look like this one. So 64, we can express 64 as 8 squared. Okay, because 8 times 8 is 64. So we can get x exponent 4 into bracket x exponent 4 is equal to 8 squared or 4, like this. And 8 squared or 4, we can say that is 8 squared times 4, like this, which is equal to 8 power 8. Okay, so we can rewrite this as x exponent 4 to bracket x exponent 4, which is equal to 8 exponent 8. Okay, now we can say this x exponent 4 is the same as x exponent 4, this one, and look at this 8 exponent 8. Okay, so it means that this term, so look at this, the power here, this term here is the same as this power x exponent 4, and also this 8 here is the same as the power here, the exponent. So we can say that the powers are the same. You can equate since the base are the same, because x exponent 4, then we have x exponent 4 here, 8 exponent 8. So we can say that this and this, they are the same base. So we can equate these powers. So we have x exponent 4 is equal to 8. Okay, now we can take the quadratic root of both sides. So taking the quadratic root, we're going to get, you know that the quadratic root will cancel out the 4 exponents. So leaving x is equal to plus or minus root of 8. So you say that therefore our final answer, x is equal to plus or minus quadratic root of 8. Okay, so this is our final answer. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.